Hi guys, this is the Jujutsu Sorcerers team, and today we are representing Holy Innocents High School. We are here today to show you how Singapore would look like if it was a carbon-free in 2050. This location where building these modern technology and improved places is in our school. So, let's jump right into it.
The first thing you think of a carbon-free world are solar panels. These solar panels are built on places in our school that are exposed to a lot of sunlight. The solar energy will travel into the inverter, which converts solar energy to electricity. That goes into a step-up transformer, which then leads the energy to an electrical storage system where you can store the electrical energy. The energy is then used during the day at 20% of its power, while during the night at 50%. The rest of the energy will be stored up for necessary use.
In 2050, most gas-powered cars has been replaced by electrical cars. The cars are powered by the electrical charging stations. These electrical cars don't produce carbon monoxide as they are powered by rechargeable batteries.
Nice.
The stand joint point, a 4-story building which purpose is to eco-efficiently grow crops and to display co-curricular activities achievements over the years. The Stanjon Farm is a project which its purpose is to research and innovate new types of farming method that can be beneficial to the carbon-free world. The farm built is a prototype called FX, where various plants are hanged in a bullet-shaped formation that can be rotated manually by a computer that is located on the second floor inside the office. This prototype aims to conserve more space and make it more efficient and convenient for farmers, and to spark an idea into the farm industry. Suke Kage Garden, known as the Moonlight Garden. This sacred garden lies above the indoor sports hall, where students and teachers can relax and to calm one's mind. The garden is filled with breathtaking sceneries, from blossoming cherry trees to a bird's eye view of the school.
Between the both sides of the garden, there are two long solar panels that has a built-in inverter and transformer that also transports electrical energy into the electrical storage system. That is all for our tour.
I really hope you enjoy our Minecraft project.
Thank you for watching. Bye.